Hello friends, welcome to Ria Quiz Hub. Quote of the day: rule your mind or it will rule you. The right answer is the first woman Chief Justice of a High Court in India was Leela Seth. And Leela Seth from Lucknow of Uttar Pradesh became the first woman to become Chief Justice of a state high court, means Himachal Pradesh, on 5th August in 1991. And also point to be noted, Fatima Bibi from Kerala became the first woman judge to be a part of the Supreme Court of India. Right answer is sound travels fastest in solids because molecules in a solid medium are much closer together than those in a liquid or gas. Point to be noted, in the metal steel as a solid medium, sound travels fastest and second position is liquid and third position is gas. When was Petrarch given the title of Poet Laureate in Rome? Right answer is Petrarch was given the title of Poet Laureate in Rome in the year 1341. And friends, if we want to know in detail, Francesco Petrarch, commonly known as Petrarch, lifespan 1304 to 1374 of Arezzo, was the first to be crowned as Poet Laureate. And also point to be noted, Albertino Mussato, whose lifespan is 1261 to 1329 of Padua, which is now part of Italy, was also the first to be crowned as Poet Laureate in 1315 after the Classical Age. What is the theme of the World No Tobacco Day of the year 2021 means this year? Right answer is the theme of World No Tobacco Day of 2021 is Commit to Quit. Every year, World No Tobacco Day is observed on 31st May by all United Nations member states. And as a static GK, we should recall theme of 2020 of World No Tobacco Day is protecting youth from industry manipulation and preventing them from tobacco and nicotine use. When is the National Technology Day observed? Right answer is the National Technology Day is observed on 11th May. Theme of 2021 is Science and Technology for a Sustainable Future. Friends, as static GK, we should study former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee had declared 11th May as the National Technology Day, and theme of 2020 was rebooting the economy through science, technology and research translations, which is titled as Restart. Friends, now it's time to revision as one-liner for memorizing, so let's start. Number 1. The first woman Chief Justice of High Court in India was Leela Seth. Number 2. Fatima Bibi became the first woman judge to be a part of the Supreme Court of India. Number 3. Sound travels fastest in solids. Number 4. In the metal steel, sound travels fastest. Number 5. Petrarch was given the title of Poet Laureate in Rome in the year 1341. Number 6. Albertino Mussato of Padua was also the first to be crowned Poet Laureate in 1315. Number 7. Commit to Quit was the theme of World No Tobacco Day of the year 2021. Number 8. Protecting youth from industry manipulation and preventing them from tobacco and nicotine use was the theme of World No Tobacco Day of the year 2020. Number 9. Every year, the National Technology Day is observed on 11th May. Number 10. Science and Technology for a Sustainable Future is the theme of the National Technology Day of the year 2021. Friends, if you get benefits from this class, then you may subscribe the YouTube channel Area Quiz Hub and then press the bell icon to get all notifications quickly. And if you seem this class is helpful, then you may like for motivating me and give your valuable feedback in comment section. And thanks for watching this video.